Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to add a video on Shopify homepage with autoplay with the latest update. And as you can see, it looks very good and it has a lot of options to customize it however you want. And without any more talking, let's get some to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access from here. Let me actually remove it. Now I don't have it anymore. How to add it? Very easy. First thing we're going to do is we need to add the section, the code. So exit from the theme editor. After that, click on sales channel and click on online store so we can access the section where we can customize the theme. And one of the most important steps you have to do is duplicate the theme. Click on the three dots beside edit theme and duplicate the theme. This is a very important step. So any customizations you do them on the duplicated theme. And if you like the changes, simply click on publish. If you don't, you still have the version intact. So in my case, I'm gonna do it on the live one. So click on the three dots on the duplicated theme, of course, and click on edit code. Then it will open up the code editor on your Shopify. On the left panel right here, you should see sections, the folder called sections. Click on it to be expanded. Then right click on the folder's name and click on new file and simply name it video-autoplay. And make sure you add the file extension, which is .liquid at the end. And click on done. It will create the file. And here we need to paste in the code. We're going to get the code from me. So scroll down the description box and you will see a link. Click on it. It will open up this page. And after that, scroll down a bit and you will see this button right here. Click on it to copy the whole code. Get back in here and paste it in the file we did create. Click on save. After that, get back again to this page and click on edit theme for the duplicated theme where you added the section, of course. After that, we'll open up the code editor and simply navigate where you want to add it. In my case, I want to add it on the home page, so I'm going to stay on the home page. I don't need to change the view here. So after that, on the left panel right here, you will see template and simply use the mouse cursor below the name and you see the plus button. Click on it and simply search for video and you will see this one right here, autoplay video by On House Studio. Click on it and it will add this section. And of course, we have to add the video. And as I said, there is a lot of customizations in here. So obviously the first one is desktop video and mobile video. So obviously the video ratio is not the same as the mobile. On some videos on desktop will look perfect. On the mobile, they will look a little bit narrow. So there is an option to add a video for the mobile separate and desktop separate. In my case, I'm gonna add just the desktop. And the next one, you can add blur to the video. You can make it a little bit blurry in case the video has like too bright or something. You can add a dark overlay as well. You can make it very dark or not dark at all. And there is a lot of options here to customize this section. You customize the height. You can make it very high. You can customize the height for the mobile separate and the positioning for the text. You can actually change this to make it at the bottom, as you can see, and also the spacing between the headers. So all the options are self-explanatory. I don't have to explain them. The name says everything. You can enable the box. It will show around the text. You can disable it. And the custom font for the heading as well. You can select a custom font from a huge list here. You can select the font that you want to use. And the button, of course, so you can enable the button. Let me do shop now and set the link for it and customize the button as well, the text color and everything. And as you can see, it looks very professional. And that's how you add video on Shopify homepage with autoplay in the latest update from Shopify. And if you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.